Hi guys, we got a new dog to make up for Preacher, which he's not going to take his place at all. But his name is Shotgun, and he's worth a lot of money. I don't remember the breed of it. He's a purebred, but you probably will recognize it by the coat. So I'll show you. Come here, Shotgun. Shotgun. Yeah, I need to turn the light on so it's more light. But, come here, Shotgun. Hey, Shotgun. Come here. Shotgun. Focus off. Come here. He's too much. He's worried about food. Shotgun. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Say hi. Alright, that was Shotgun. They're really friendly. He's really good. I like him. But, that's all for now. See you guys later.